What's up YouTube? Jeff back again from High on Android, DopeTechDaily.com. Today I'm bringing you guys my third video in the top Android custom themes series. Now I did one for the silver Galaxy S7 Edge, one for the black S7 Edge. I'll link those below if you haven't seen them. I also just got in a white S7 Edge International model, so I will have a theme coming up for the white S7 Edge as well. Today we're going to get into the gold model of the S7 and the S7 Edge. And I actually couldn't make a decision on one theme, so I'm actually going to show you guys two, a light theme on the regular Galaxy S7 in gold and a darker theme on the S7 Edge. Now if you guys have seen the past videos, you know this basically consists of four main parts. I have a theme running from the Samsung theme store along with a wallpaper, then I choose a custom launcher with a custom icon pack and match that up with a beautiful looking widget, which you can see right there at the top. So first let's jump into the theme that I chose for this particular one. Go into the Samsung theme store right there, click on themes, and you can see that I'm running Deluxe Gold Black, which if we go in, you can see some of the screenshots here. Now this is a premium theme. It costs $249 on the Samsung theme store. Most of the good gold themes do cost money, but I did want to give you an option if you don't like to pay for deluxe themes, you don't want to pay the premium. There is a gold edition theme in the Samsung theme store, which I really like quite a bit. It is free, so if you don't want to pay for a theme, I highly recommend giving this one a look if you're interested in getting a free theme. So you guys can see here, I went with the Gold Deluxe Black. Looks very nice. You've got everything themed. You've got different colors of gold, different shades of gold throughout. The dialer looks really, really nice. One thing I really like about this theme that you probably noticed when we were in the settings menu is they maintain the color coordination for your different types of settings. I definitely like that. Some of the gold themes, they make everything gold. They don't do that here. You can still distinguish between your settings. Everything just looks really nice and really clean. Now I did keep the wallpaper from this particular theme, so the wallpaper you're looking at right here is a wallpaper from the Deluxe Gold Black. I don't always keep a wallpaper from the theme, sometimes I find a custom one, but I think this one looks really, really nice and it fit the sort of material gold minimal look that I was going for. Next on my launcher this time I'm running Nova Launcher with the gold icon pack. These gold icons are from Stealthy Chief. I just did a video on a bunch of his icon packs. This particular pack has a ton of icons themed. It's got all of your stock Google icons, of course, and then just a ton of other apps. You can see here how far this list scrolls down. Most of the apps that I use on a daily basis are in fact themed. If you go into the drawer and actually take a look, you'll see the only ones that aren't themed are some of the ones like the T-Mobile apps and the Samsung apps, but I would expect that, and that's okay. The only ones that I really wish would like to really see themed are Android Pay right there, and Backdrops, which is my favorite wallpaper app. I would love to see those themed, but overall the color of this gold icon pack and the depth, which means just the number of icons that are themed in total, it's very, very impressive and it matches the wallpaper that I chose from the Deluxe Gold Black theme. Also, I've set up Nova Launcher. Some people mentioned this last time, and yes, I am aware you can do this. I set up Nova Launcher to actually imitate the feature that you have in Action Launcher 3. In my particular opinion, it's not quite as smooth as Action Launcher 3. Action Launcher 3 is my preferred launcher these days, but you can do this, and some people mentioned that, so I went ahead and set that up. I'll have a full write-up on how to do that in Nova Launcher in the written tutorial. So remember, there's always a written tutorial below in the description. It'll be on my website. I also removed the icon labels on the main page just to make it look a little cleaner. Now, another thing that people were asking me about my launcher last time are these three dots here at the bottom. How did I change my actual app drawer launcher? Well, the way you do that is hold down on the icon here, and then you'll get a little edit button there. Click on edit, and then you'll see you can tap the icon itself, and then you can choose a custom icon from any of your themes. Now, the one I'm actually using is from a different icon pack. You guys can see I experimented with a whole bunch of gold icon packs, and this one is actually from Gold PD. So if you go into Gold PD and you scroll down, you'll find this particular icon listed in the system or the home setting. So if we scroll down a little bit, it's right there actually. So those three dots that I got are the app drawer launcher that I'm using right now. Now there is one, of course, in the gold icon pack, which is the one, the icon pack I actually have installed. These are a little chunky for me, so these are the app drawer launchers. You can definitely use one of those if you wanted to match up with all of your icons. So for instance, if I choose this one, you can see that I go back, and now I have an icon that matches the rest of the gold icons from the icon pack. So that's how you change your app drawer launcher icon. A lot of people were interested in that. Now the third thing, of course, the last thing here is the widget. You guys can see as usual I'm using a Super Widget Pro. This particular widget, I decided to go with a more unknown Super Widget pack called Stun 3. So if you go in there, again, the full tutorial will be linked below with the actual number of this Super Widget. And if you go in, you're going to make a few different changes to the widget. Obviously, you're going to have to change the color of some of your layout in order to match the gold theme. I'll have a full write-up on how to do that in the tutorial. But one new app that I really love that I wanted to show you guys is called Colorette. It helps you match your widget to the rest of your color theme that you have going on here. So the way you do this is go ahead and take a screenshot. And then once you have your screenshot, you're going to go into the Colorette app itself. So you guys can see the Colorette app is right here. You can download this from the Play Store. Go into the menu on the side and pick Custom Image. And then from that custom image, you'll be able to import all of the various colors that are on your home screen. So you can see I've got the colors of the icons, I've got the colors of the wallpaper, everything here that I want to pick from. And what this actually lets you do, which is really nice, is you can copy the color code to import into Super Widget. So right here, the very top one is the one you want to copy. And then you want to use that to create your widget. So if I tap on the widget again, let me actually see if we can get in there. There we go. Go into the layout. I can change the color. So that's exactly how I matched my Thursday and my 19 color to the color of my background. So you go right in here, and then there's a little spot right here in Super Widget where you can paste the color code. So that way you can match up your widget to all of the other things on your screen, the icons, the wallpaper. Everything's going to look super crisp and look really beautiful. So again, I will link the full tutorial below on how to use Colorette, how to match up the colors using Super Widget Pro if you want to match your icons to your wallpaper. This is the dark theme. I hope you guys like it quite a bit. So next, I just want to show off the light theme that I went with. I don't want to talk quite as much about it because it's pretty much got a similar setup. Now what I did do is I switched over to Action Launcher 3. As I told you guys, my favorite launcher. I am using a different icon pack here. So the icon pack that I'm using in this particular case is actually the gold theme icon pack. You can see right there, again, I played with quite a few. The gold theme icon pack has more of like a blingy chrome look to it. So if you like that flashy look, this is going to be a really good one for you. Also, I am running the luxury gold theme from the theme store. So this is another paid theme, luxury gold. But again, if you want to use gold edition is a great replacement for luxury gold. You can see the color scheme is very similar. You just don't get some of the same, not everything is themed quite as well. Not all of the various clocks and everything are themed. But if you're going to use my custom widget that I have up here, that's not a big deal anyway. Once again, I edited the app drawer icon at the bottom so that matches my icons overall. We've got another widget from Stun Widgets for Super Widget 3. Again, I will link that full scheme below. This was also used to match using Colorette to match some of the dark tones. And the wallpaper itself is from the luxury gold theme overall. So you can see here, oops, accidentally dialing my voicemail. You can see the log here. You can see some of the favorites. You can see the contacts, and you can see the dialer. So overall, a very nice lighter theme, just to give you guys some options. If you don't like the dark theme, this might be one to look into. You can see that this particular gold icon pack does not have quite the same depth in terms of number of icons themed as the previous one I showed you, but it's pretty good, and it definitely gives you a brighter, more showy color and a more showy theme to your Galaxy S7. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this custom Android themes video. Again, both of these will be linked below to my website, Dope Tech Daily. I'll have a tutorial on how you can get both of these looks on your phone, along with some recommendations for cases and also a few shots of each of the themes so you guys can get an idea what they look like overall. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Find me over at Dope Tech Daily, also on Google+, Instagram, and Twitter at the links in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching.